Come on, keep your head and chest up. Tighten up that core. Just a skosh lower. There you go. 3, bending over. Come on, come on. Good. Get ready. Just squat. Up.
Oh, that was sloppy.
Good morning, right? Like it. Yeah, but it came up pretty fast, so I don't really care. Last set looked better than the first one. Head up, head up, head up. Down.